Hey everyone, it's Brian and Brian again, continuing on the propane path. Our next path brings us to Monterrey, Mexico. We're visiting our friends and our partner, Metsa Tanks. Great couple days out here. We just did the tour. See how everything goes from A to Z. Very impressive. They got a lot of future growth here. They showed us new buildings, putting a new building out front for their team here. So talked to a couple other team members, and they're excited about that because the growth is going very well for them, and we're excited to be down here and see how it works from A to Z, see how these tanks are made. So very impressed down here in Monterrey.
Yeah, and as far as my visit down here, first time to Mexico, so really excited to come down and meet with Metsa. Big thanks to Robert Kenny, Daniel Kiorga for having us here. And just a lot of, it's a neat process here, looking at the new tanks, above ground, underground tanks that they're sending out to the US, Canada, all over North America here. Excited to see the process, and we'll see where the path takes us from here.
We'll see you next on the propane path. Take care, everyone.